Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for income certificate online on Seva Sindhu portal. So watch this video till the end to know the easiest and complete process to apply online income certificate. So let's start the video. So first you have to go to Google Chrome, then search here for Seva Sindhu portal. Here is the Seva Sindhu portal. If you haven't yet registered on Seva Sindhu portal, first you have to register. Click here, new user, and register here. You have to register. For registration, you have to enter your Aadhaar number, then click here next. Then you have to fill your full name as per Aadhaar card, email ID, mobile number, then submit. You will get your registration. I have already registered on this portal, so I am login with my mobile number or email ID. So I am going to log in with my mobile number and password, or you can get OTP through your mobile number. So I am going to log in. As you log in Seva Sindhu portal, click on your three dots and open this website on desktop site. So you can see here apply for services. Click here on apply for services. You can see view all available services. Here click here. So you can see here there are lots of services available here. You have to enter in search bar income certificate. Then you can see here application for income certificate. Click here. Select your language here. Application type of ID. You can apply for through ration card or as well as Aadhaar card. I am going to apply through Aadhaar card. So I am selecting Aadhaar card. Then enter the Aadhaar number. Then select your rural or urban. Urban. Then select your district. After that you have to select Taluk. Then you have to select Hubli. Then town. Then you have to select your ward number. Then fill the applicant name as per Aadhaar card. Then again you have to fill applicant name as per Aadhaar in English. After that you have to enter father name, husband name or guardian name. After filling all the details, then you have to give your user consent. Click on yes and click here for go. After the user consent, it will show you some other certificate data as per matching your criteria. So you can see here, if you match this criteria, then you have to yes. Then if you don't have any criteria match these certificates, then you have to reject here. So I am going to reject here. After that, it will show you further detail to fill. Enter your mother name here. Then fill your complete address here. Address line 1, address line 2, address line 3. Fill your address on these three columns. After that you have to enter your area pin code. Then you have to enter your mobile number. So you can see here applicant ID type Aadhaar, applicant ID number. You have to pay 25 rupees online payment. Then you have to select purpose for this certificate: education, employment, other and school admission. You have to select as per your requirement. After that, here is the option of specific purpose. You have to select specific purpose: education, employment, government facility, banking, pension, ration card. Select as per your requirement. Then you have to select the department. For income certificate, you have to select revenue department. After that you have to select your occupation. Then you have to fill your in total income, all sources, from all the sources you have to fill total income. After that you have to fill these captcha words as given below. So I am filling here the captcha. Then you have to click on here submit button. So it will process. So here is the all the details you have filled. Check this form carefully. Then it will give you a draft reference number. You have to copy this number and save for your future reference. Then click here for attach annexure. In attached enclosure you need to upload two documents. First is address proof, then identity proof. These two documents is mandatory to upload. You can select here Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, passport. Then upload. If you have Aadhaar card issued in DigiLocker, then you can fetch Aadhaar card from here. Here is the option for that. Otherwise you can choose the documents here. Remember one thing, the document should be in PDF format. I have uploaded this Aadhaar card. Then identity proof, you can choose driving license, voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card. I am also here choosing Aadhaar card. Then upload here. After uploading both documents, then you have to click here save annexure. Clicking on save annexure, again it will show you your application, filled application form. Check it carefully before final submit. So here it will give you a draft reference number. Note down and copy this reference number for your future reference. Then click here on e-sign and make payment. You have to pay 25 rupees for this application. After clicking on e-payment, it will redirect you this portal Digital India. Enter your Aadhaar number and OTP. Enter your OTP that will send on your Aadhaar registered number and put this OTP and make payment. You can pay through net banking, UPI. So I am going to pay here. After successfully payment, it will give you this application reference ID. So you can check your application status through this reference ID. So I am going to show you how to check your application status. Here is the option of track application status. Click here. Then enter your reference number here in this box. Then click on here get data. So you can check your application status here. So this is how you can track your application status. After issuing of income certificate, I will make another video how to download and print your income certificate. So this is how you can apply your income caste certificate online. I hope you like this video and make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.